Hi, this is Ray from soyachinchao.com and welcome back to another episode of ICYMI, where we bring you the latest tech news that mattered in case you missed it. Samsung smartphones just keep coming. It appears that Samsung has just launched another smartphone from the Galaxy A series in Russia, and it is called the Samsung Galaxy A20. According to Samsung Russia's announcement, the Galaxy A20 features a 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display, an Exynos 7884 processor, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. It also gets a dual camera setup and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. And similar to its other Galaxy A siblings, it also gets 4000 mAh battery, but there's no mention if it charges via USB-C. In Russia, the Galaxy A20 is priced at 13,990 rubles, which is around 885 ringgit. The Galaxy A20 has already passed SIRIM certification along with the cheaper Galaxy A10, so we can expect both devices to be on sale. Apple has officially announced the second generation Airpods. It still retains the same design, but it is much more convenient than its predecessor. The new AirPods uses Apple's new H1 chip, which is designed to offer seamless connectivity and longer talk time while providing the same hands-free convenience of Hey Siri. Besides that, the charging case supports wireless charging. For music playback, the new AirPods retains the 5 hours of listening time, and the charging case can give you 24 hours of battery life. In terms of pricing, the new AirPod with the wireless charging case is priced at 879 ringgit. And if you don't fancy the wireless charging feature, the AirPods with the standard case is priced at 699 ringgit. The wireless charging case can also be purchased separately for the price of 439 ringgit. And yes, it is compatible with the first generation AirPods. Today is a very special day and I'll be unboxing something really special. So let's get into it. So the Realme 3. So this Realme 3 will be officially launched in Malaysia today, but way ahead of its launch, we have this device right here with us. So let's see what's inside. So let's unbox this. So as you can see, there's this yellow and grey kind of feel to this box. Okay. Once you open it, you can see this white box. And inside the box, you have this information guide and quick guide. And there's this white jelly case, plastic. And you have this smartphone, which I will talk about it later. And here you have this charging brick. It says that there is a 10 watt of output. And you have your micro USB cable. So in this box, you cannot find any headphones, which is kind of surprising. So let's start this phone. Okay, so as you can see, this phone, there's this black to purple to blue kind of gradient effect. If you can see this, yes, it's kind of nice. And you have this rear mounted fingerprint scanner and a dual camera setup. So you can see there's this ring around the main camera, which I find it kind of nice. And you can see there's this curve at both sides. The phone curves at both sides and it has a very nice heft to it, which I kind of like. And you have your USB port at the bottom, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and speaker grills at the bottom. And at the left side, you will find a volume rocker button and the SIM tray. And on the right, you can see there's this power button. So let's start this phone. So I already started this phone, so you can see at the screen there's this dewdrop notch, a small notch, but I know some of you may not be a fan of this kind of notch, but it's tiny, so it doesn't obstruct you when you're viewing content. So this screen has a 6.2-inch HD Plus display, and for my first look, it looks kind of nice. The colors are quite vibrant, and it's very bright. So this device runs on Android 9 Pie with ColorOS 6, so you will get this app drawer, which you cannot find on other ColorOS. And this app drawer is kind of very good for you if you like to organize, because I don't like things on my home screen that much. It really bothers me. So there's this app tray, which allows you to put everything inside, so it's better, in my opinion lah. So now I know you are very curious about the camera capability, so let's test it out. So wait, let me find something to test. I shall get this car. So this Realme 3 has a dual camera setup, a 30-megapixel main camera, and also a 2-megapixel camera for depth effects. So let's try it out. Okay. Okay, so I'll be honest with you, this is not the best camera I've seen so far because it doesn't really capture a lot of details and the color is kind of distorted. So I don't know, but it's okay. But this is only my first impression of this smartphone, so I cannot say much about it because this is not official review. So I will say the camera is usable, it's okay. I don't know, you need to be the judge. Okay, so let's test out the selfie. So the selfie camera is an 8 megapixel selfie camera. So let's try it out. Surprising! The camera looks very good, the front camera. It captured a lot of detail. It's not bad, it's not bad. The front camera, I kinda like it. But my face, damn! It's so flawless. I don't recognize myself also. Okay, so to summarize everything, this device features a 6.2-inch HD Plus display, and instead of a MediaTek Helio P70 processor in Malaysia, we are only getting a MediaTek Helio P60 processor, unfortunately. But it comes with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. But if that's not enough, you can also expand it up to 256 gigs of storage. So powering this device is a 4230 mAh battery that charges via micro USB. And it also has a 10-watt output, so it's pretty standardized. Oh, not to mention, it also has Durian Man. That means, if you can see the yellow icon that has a durian, can you see it? Okay. So that means this device supports eSIM. So if you need an affordable smartphone with eSIM support, this might be the device for you. So now I know what you're wondering. You're wondering about the Realme 3 pricing in Malaysia. So the price of the Realme 3 is... That's all from me. If you want to learn more of what I've covered in ICYMI just now, the links are in the description. So what do you think of ICYMI? We would like to hear from you too. So leave a comment down below. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you're informed whenever we post a new video. So do check out our latest video here. And also our last episode of ICYMI here. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!